Welcome back to you guys' Pixel Weekly Roundup for the week of August 19, 2023. Gadget Beer. Welcome back to Gadget Beer, guys. Today we have your Pixel Roundup for the week. Any news relating to Pixel devices throughout the week, I'll go ahead and relate that to you guys just in case you guys missed it. So let's get on with today's first story. This is coming from Droid Life, and the Pixel Watch 2 has hit the FCC. And on this article, you can go, I'll link the articles in the description of the video. They're talking about the Pixel bands in particular and the models, LTE models and Wi-Fi models. There is 3 model numbers: GD2WG, GC3G8, and G4TS. Those are 3 models, and there are 3 types of materials for the watch bands. So they do mention a plastic active watch band, a metal mesh one, and a metal link one, and a metal slim strap. There's multiple watch bands this time around. The LTE model is likely to have most LTE bands for the US according to the article, but that's not all. 9to5 Google reported that the Pixel Watch 2 will ship with Wear OS 4 and the SnapDragon W5. So this article here, which will also be linked in the description of the video, Google's second smartwatch, Pixel Watch 2, is confirmed through Google Play Console using Snapdragon W5 and Wear OS 4. Fantastic. The new Pixel Watch 2 will feature Snapdragon W5 series chip, specifically Qualcomm SW5100 with 2 GB of RAM. The device will come pre-installed with Android 13, indicating it will launch with Wear OS 4. Pixel Watch 2 will support Wear OS 4 new backup feature. I wonder if this backup feature is like, if you switch from phone to phone, every time you switch and pair your Wear OS to a new phone, you have to go ahead and factory reset it and reinstall everything you had before. I wonder if this backup feature saves your watch so you don't have to go ahead and manually update all the apps and can reconfigure your watch faces or anything like that. I hope that this backup feature, what they're talking about, is exactly that. That is a absolutely game changer. This will also have the same screen specs as original model, 384 by 384 resolution with 320 ppi screen density. One more Pixel Watch story right here, bam, and it has to do with Google Assistant, also coming from 9to5 Google. So I believe this has to do with Google Assistant working on your Wear OS device, and I think the cutoff date is August 31st, 2023, this month. So if you have a Wear OS device that still is on Android Wear OS 2, Google Assistant will no longer work. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have a old Wear OS watch and if you're planning to upgrade because of this right here. No Google Assistant support. I know I love to use my Google Assistant on my watch, and I'll be devastated if that feature stopped working suddenly. But if you guys are looking to upgrade from your old Wear OS 2, the Pixel Watch is always discounted, and that's a great entry watch for you guys to go ahead and purchase and experience what the Pixel Lite experience is on a smartwatch. So we're done with Pixel Watch talk, and let's get to the nitty-gritty of this week's story. And this comes from Mishal Rashan. He has a Patreon post where he posts a lot of breakdowns and stuff that he finds through these apps or anything like that. You need exclusive Patreon access to his webpage, but he says that Google is set to steal some of Samsung's features for the Pixel Fold and the Taskbar implementation and persistence. So one significant feature that has been introduced in the Taskbar, which is initially implemented by Samsung, is later adopted by Google Pixel on stock Android, is the multitask bar for foldables and tablets. Obviously, we've seen it this year on the foldable and the Pixel tablet. So there is a change coming to that said taskbar here, similar to what Samsung version is. This may enhance multitasking by providing quicker access to apps. So your recent applications, Samsung's taskbar includes a section for recent applications showing recent use apps. Google's current version, on the other hand, only displays a pin app or folders. However, it's reported that Google will be adding a feature to show recent applications in the taskbar itself. The app drawer and search. So both Samsung and Google taskbars provide access to an app drawer where users can access their installed applications. Additionally, though, Google is said to be introducing a search bar within the app drawer itself. This search feature is similar to what Samsung offers, with focus on searching within the app drawer itself and not the internet. So if you use the Galaxy Z Fold feature, if you see the multitasking bar on the bottom, you go to the apps, you can search apps instead of scrolling through your whole list of apps. You just press what you're searching for, it'll pop up, and then you can go ahead and start multitasking with that app. This will improve multitasking productivity. These reports change indicate that Google is making an effort to enhance the multitasking and productivity experience on their devices, especially on larger screen devices like the Pixel Fold and the Pixel Tablet. So there you have it, guys. That's all I have for you guys for this week's Pixel Roundup. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about it. If you guys have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next week on the Pixels Weekly Roundup. Peace!